How to manage Pandora library. Welcome back to this quick guide video, everyone. The library section of Pandora is called the My Collections. So if you are inside of the platform of Pandora, you'll be able to see a section which says My Collection. As soon as you enter this section, it's going to show you all of your collections. That may be stations, podcasts, episodes that you've added in or that you've listened to inside of Pandora. Now, there are two things that you can do inside of My Collection. Either you can add new content or remove existing content in case you don't like it. So the way that you do it is click on the three dotted line, and right here you'll have the option called remove from your collection. As soon as you click on it, the particular content that you selected will be now removed from the My Collection list. Similarly, you can also add in new content or new stations to your collection list by heading over to either artists or tracks that you may like. For example, if you head over to a particular artist and click on the Start Station option, you can see the station now will be added to your collection. And if you head back, the exact station that you selected will now be visible inside of your My Collection list. You can do the same thing as well for any albums or even tracks that you may like. If you click on the three dotted line inside of any particular track, you have two options to start a station through an artist or through the song that you selected. This way as well, the station will be now added to the collection list inside of the My Collection section. So that's basically the way that you can manage your library or the My Collection list inside of Pandora. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you are interested in more future videos just like this, make sure to hit that notification bell.